Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful DeLonghi Magnifica XS Espresso machine. Now for this machine we just replaced the water pump. The water pump you see right here, this one is from 2015, so it was definitely time to replace it. Now we've been checking for any leaks or anything like that. That's why we have the whole case open like this, and as you can see everything looks very in well shape. Over here as well, grinder located right here, looking very well. Flow meter connected to the water tank. This hose connected to the water pump connected to this other pressure regulator, which is connected to the thermoblock, connected to the mechanoval on the top right here on this machine, and where the infuser goes up and down and compresses the coffee and extracts it going all the way to the spout. So yeah, that's what basically the machine does. So starting with one shot of coffee, we're gonna test it out. Then we're gonna be going around the machine. As you can see, it's running up the beans to this grinder right here. The transmission pushes the brew unit from the lower position all the way to the top position, where the water pump starts initiating the cycle for extracting coffee, going into the thermoblock, heating up the water, pushing it all the way to the mechanoval, from the mechanoval going to the infuser, from the infuser extracting the coffee and going into the spouts. And as you can see right now, the machine is pushing water throughout the whole system. There's no leaks coming out from this side or this side as well, where is the water getting fed into the water pump. Excellent shot of coffee. We're now going to be doing a shot of espresso. Now it's going to do the exact same process. Grind the beans, put it in the container on the upper unit, the transmission pushing the brew unit from the lower position to the top, and the water pump pushing water through the whole system so it will get to the mechanoval and it will extract coffee into these spouts. Just like that. As you can see, it's a nice steady stream coming out of the machine. 1 ounce is exactly what the customer programmed it for, but as you can see, we also got a really nice layer of crema coming out of the machine, working perfectly fine. Hot water, as you can see, it's a nice steady stream coming out of the one, working perfectly fine. We also did clean this one. It was full of milk all around it. We have to really soak it, disassemble the entire thing and deep clean this. It was really bad. One of the worst ones I've ever seen. One of the worst steamers I have ever seen, to be honest. But thankfully we clean everything in there and there's no any milk residue or anything like that. Now we're gonna be testing the steam. It's a bit cold today, so hopefully we can see a bit of the steam. You can see some water coming on through there, and it's not coming from the system. As you can see, this is the steamer. This hose goes to clear everything. It's from the water that I just removed from here, so it's just like going through that. As you can see, nice steady stream coming out of the machine. There you go, it's kicking up. Perfect. You can see nice steady steam coming out of the machine. Excellent pressure and really great temperature, as I'm definitely burning my hand right here. Working excellent. And like I said this before, this is from the previous leak that I did when I was dispensing water. It's not coming from the system because this hose is connected into this one. So if it was leaking, we will see it right here coming out, dripping through here instead of coming through there. So there you have it. The DeLonghi Magnifica XS working once again. Even the magnet sensor of the water tank works as well. So there you have it. Thank you so much for repairing my Kanen coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day. And thanks for watching.